clot.
Fuck you, fucking reggae idiot bitch!
Fat bumbo clot pussy old girl.
Fuck
Bumbo
you.
clot. Hey, yo, don't touch
what's
this.
wrong?
Some people he introduced me to have ripped me off big time. You better hope Nico can make this right for you then. Oh, we got a big fucking problem, Rasta.
I've got this stuff. Fucking cups. I think I have company. What? I lost the heat. Where are you?
Cheers, Brian. Get here now, Nico.
Jacob, what are you talking about?
Hey, Nico. Hey, Jacob.
This is no place for you, Michelle.
As it happens, it is. You see, I have been working for the government. I have to ask you for the coke. They're about to take down Elizabeta.
You fucking bitch.
My employers need the help of a guy like Nico. I'll call you. The coke, please.